Hey, my adorable friends! Welcome back to Quiz Slice. Another Zombies 4 quiz is here, and today you need to guess the correct characters by their reimagined gender swap. Isn't it fantastic? Enough of introduction, let's dive straight into the game with me. Round 1. Guess Zombies 4's characters by gender swap. Any idea who this is? Bingo! That's Nova. What a great start from y'all. How about this? Anything familiar? Yup, it's our boy, Young Zed. Who's this beautiful lady with red hair? That's right! This is Victor. Remember the position of all characters right here. Now, where's Victor? Wow, you found him? You're incredible! The eyes are pretty familiar. Any idea about this character? That's Addison. Can you guess this handsome out of the character? It is Eliza. Did you catch that one? Can you find Eliza's real eyes here? There we go! You're amazing! What a beautiful woman! Can you guess the real character here? Correctamundo, it is Vargas. Any idea who's behind this handsome man? Oh yeah, that's Vera. Who would you rather date, Vera or Victor? Like this video if you choose Vera and subscribe to us if you'd go with Victor. Who's behind this blonde-haired lady? That's right, Commander Bright is the guy. Another one coming right up. Any guesses? That's Willa in her gender swap. Try your best on this one. This man is actually Eldris. Can you find the odd emoji out of this group? Bravo! It's there! Last up, can you guess who's the actual character right here? That's Ray. Round 2, would you rather Zombies 4? First one, choose your phone edition. Don't forget to comment on all your answers below. Next up, choose your gaming room vibe. Would it be Zed style, Elsa style, or Moana style? Would you rather watch the original Zombies or the Zombies animated series? Both are amazing, right? Choose your headphone version. Choose the outfit for your pet. What would you do right here? Like the video for Zombies Sleepover or subscribe for Descendants Sleepover. Choose the best theme for your bedroom. Any AirPods case do you like here? Choose the most fashionable design for your pool. Choose your side. Are you a fan of the Descendants/Zombies series, or do you like the animated Disney more? Drop your vote below the comment right now. Choose between these three water houses. Which will be your homestay? Choose your PlayStation controller. Choose your clock edition. Would it be Red, Cookie Monster, or Mario and Luigi? Choose your jewelry type. What would your night lamp be? Choose it now. Can you see the odd Eevee in these? Ah, there she is. Music vibe. Choose the music studio you'd like. Choose your date mate. Spot the three differences within these two images. Yup, they're here. Which graffiti suits your personality? Pick one. Choose one of these three backpacks. Choose your main teacher. I like all of them. Choose a favorite shirt to wear. Meal time. Choose your food, my friend. That was awesome, right? Having you here is amazing as always. Don't forget to like, subscribe to us, and comment how many you got. Now then, until the next video, I will see you.